Architecture surrounds us every day. It shapes the buildings and spaces we live in, but what exactly does this word mean? Architecture is the art and science of designing and constructing buildings. It combines creativity with practical skills to create functional spaces. A common mistake is thinking architecture means just old or fancy buildings. Actually, it includes all kinds of building design, modern or traditional. Common phrases include study architecture, modern architecture, and architecture firm. You might also hear architecture style or architectural design. She decided to study architecture at university. The city has famous architecture from different eras. The architect showed us the new house design. Modern architecture often uses glass and steel. When Lena saw the old bridge, she thought about the architect who designed it many years ago. It made her appreciate how architecture connects past and present. To remember architecture, think of arch, like an arch in a building, and texture sounds like texture. Buildings have arches and textures, so architecture means building design. Now you know architecture is about designing buildings. Try to use this word in sentences or tell a friend about it.